Yeah, my name is Akshay Gupta. I'm from Gorakhpur. Basically, I'm from belong to the Uttar Pradesh. I'm living in Gorakhpur since my birth. I've done my bachelor from BA, Bachelor of Arts from English Literature and Political Science. Then after the completed my bachelor, I thought I don't have a like a good degree about my past because BA it's not a mandatory if I will go for any job because in a job market it's very tough in India. Then I switched my career in a digital marketing field. Then I was fascinated to the knowing about the how to promote your product and services in a digitally. Then little bit I was interested. Then I have a search before enroll the digital bit there. I have a search many competitors like Upgrade and Great Learning. I just also I had help from the Chat GPT, which one is the best for the digital marketing course. Then I gone through the digital Vidya. Then I have a search about the digital Vidya and about the courses and past performance. Then I just choose my career for upskilling myself and looking for opportunity in a job field market in a digital marketing. Choose the digital Vidya. The course was very nice and well structured, insightful knowledge. The mentor also they were very supportive. Then I would like to appreciate like Omega Jain. She's very highly educated in a field of the digital marketing, and she's meant actually I thought ki I got a good insightful knowledge in a digital marketing field. But apart from that, because I'm as a beginner, then I'm starting my career in the digital marketing field. Then I have done only practical and some like a practical and like a theoretical. Then I wanted to just improve my skill in a basis of the practically also. I'm just looking for opportunity. I have received the certification from the HubSpot and Google Ads in a Google Ads, and also I have received the certification in performance marketing from the Digital Vidya. I have done an internship there. Then also it was a good experience from the Digital Vidya team. Also has support me for the knowing the about the performance marketing in the field of digital marketing, and also I got a certification from there. Because as my starting my career in digital marketing, then I was beginner. Then I have receive a meaningful insightful knowledge about the digital marketing, how to research the keyword, how to the make strategy about your competitors, how to get achieved, and how to just put a headlines and description about your search ad in a Google Ads. I would like to share about the Digital Vidya. Digital Vidya is a very actually as compared to the other institute, Digital Vidya is a very fine. It's a very interactive uh, things. For people, they come on their website. There is very insightful like a core module, like a very deep knowledge about the digital marketing in a Digital Vidya. I will recommend to the people they come, they just explore their website. Then before enrolling, then after the research about the another competitor, then they can enroll in a digital vidya, because digital vidya it's like a very like in a global, it's a not a, it's a global also, it's a India, it's a very famous, and as compared to the also fees structure, then if you go for other competitor like IID and great learning upgrade, they paying high charges as compared to the digital vidya. But also you can afford here and you can get insightful knowledge from the digital vidya.